Brad Williams, Excel primed. Here, separate line break words into individual cells. Here's a strong recommendation. Never, ever, ever, ever use line breaks. They are a pain in the ass, and to break them up is even more of a pain in the butt. Why? First and foremost, what are you going to do with this? You can't do anything with this information. Oh, it's illustrative. It looks pretty. No, it's a pain in the butt. Here's how we break it up. To set this up in the first place, we use character 10. Again, a tool that I despise. But being what it is, this is handed off to you, and now you have to clean it up. And we're breaking these up by color. We're going to use this column up here in order to identify each one of these breaks and then separate them. Here's the formula: trim, mid, substitute. The trim we can throw out for now. What we're trying to do is find and substitute the spaces. No, we're going to be using a straightforward approach here. Substitute is going to be our text. Our start number is going to be this D4 minus 1, len C5, and mid is going to look at the number of characters here. Over here, we're going to have our anatomy, and then here is the write-up. I'm going to try to explain this, and then if you need to read it, go ahead, read the narrative. Here we have this breakdown here. We have this formula, copy, and this is the formula translated, paste. Here I'm going to break this down, number of characters. We have len C5. You see this len C5? That represents, if you look at mid, that's going to be this number of characters, 14. What are we doing? We're going to look at 14 with start number. Start number is G4. All right, len C5, that's the length of what? Of just this red, blue, green. It's 14. Our start number. Our start number is going to be D4. D4 minus 1 is 1 minus 1. D4 is going to be 3, F9, or 4, F9. Is going to be 1 minus 1 times len C5 plus 1. Length is C5. C5 is 14. We're going to get 1. Then we go to this substitute deal. And we're going to substitute, and I said we're going to flood this thing. We're going to go C5, which is 14. C5, character 10. That means whenever there's you see these breaks here? Those are character 10s. Character 10, we're going to do what? We're going to put repeat 14 times. There's going to be red 14 times, then blue 14 times, then green 14 times. As shown, you see this? So we're going to flood this thing. We have to trick Excel into saying, get rid of everything except for what we need. We're going to go in and we're going to use the mid function. Remember, text is this, F9 is red, blue, green, as shown here. And our start number, F9, is going to be 1. Number of characters, 14. See that? And how many characters is red? It's 3. In the end, we're going to keep red, but we're going to use trim next. First and foremost, how many characters are here? There's going to be at least 14 between here and here. Add the 3, and now you have 17. We're only keeping 14. So we're going to start at 1, and we're going to go over, including RED, we're going to go over 14 other characters. We're going to remove everything else, leaving us with red. Then we go here into this last and final formula. We're going to strip away all of the characters, excluding RED. It's a standard format in terms of text manipulation, but if it's new to you, it can just drive you nuts, this len and subtracting and adding and what have you. Take it piece by piece like I did here, and then just logically go right to left and piece this thing together. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.